Omtec pop-up ball transfers, when raised, require minimal effort to make transfers of items between the scissor lift and the conveyor. Think about it. When the ball transfers are retracted, items are firmly located on the surface so they will not move while they are being worked on or while the lift is moving either up or down. Scissor lifts make it easy to raise and lower items to the various ergonomic heights to perform different assembly tasks required on a production line. The Omtec pop-up ball transfers, when raised, allow for minimal effort to rotate the product or gain access to the reverse side.